1. Who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Subhas Chandra Bose. The answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. 2. When did British came to India? A. 1611. B. 1600. C. 1609. D. 1608. The answer is B. 1600. 3. Who designed the Indian national flag? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Pingali Venkaiah. D. Bhagat Singh. The answer is C. Pingali Venkaiah. 4. Which Indian freedom fighter gave the slogan, "Give me blood, and I shall give you freedom"? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Bhagat Singh. C. Subhas Chandra Bose. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is C. Subhas Chandra Bose. 5. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. Lord Mountbatten. C. Gopalachari. D. Drive. B. R. Ambedkar. The answer is B. Lord Mountbatten. 6. When was Gandhi-Irwin Pact signed? A. The 3rd of March 1930. B. The 5th of March 1931. C. The 5th of April 1931. D. The 15th of April 1930. The answer is B. The 5th of March 1931. 7. For how many years India was under British rule? A. 200 years. B. 89 years. C. 190 years. D. 100 years. The answer is B. 89 years. 8. Which British official was the last Viceroy of India? A. Lord Curzon. B. Lord Mountbatten. C. Lord Wavell. D. Lord Irwin. The answer is B. Lord Mountbatten. 9. The famous quote, "A tryst with destiny," is given by A. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. B. P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Abdul Kalam Azad. The answer is B. P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru. 10. Which of the following plans was known as the Partition Plan? A. Macaulay Plan. B. Attlee Announcement. C. Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms. D. Mountbatten Plan. The answer is D. Mountbatten Plan. 11. What is the theme for 78th Independence Day? A. Viksit Bharat. B. Promote India's culture. C. Nation first, always first. D. None of the above. The answer is A. Viksit Bharat. 12. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists our tricolour flag at A. The Purana Killa, Delhi. B. The Red Fort, Old Delhi. C. The Red Fort, Agra. D. The India Gate, New Delhi. The answer is B. The Red Fort, Old Delhi. 13. In which year was the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, formed? A. 1969. B. 1959. C. 1979. D. 1989. The answer is A. 1969. 14. Who among the following was the first Governor General of New Dominions of India until June 1948? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. C. Rajgopalachari. C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Drive. Rajendra Prasad. The answer is A. Lord Mountbatten. 15. The national song of India, Vande Mataram, was first sung by blank. A. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Ans. C. The answer is C. Rabindranath Tagore.